No, 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 no. Welcome to video 1 of Will I Collaborate with Rich Rebuilds one day. How y'all doing? My name is Edward Does Cars, and man, my engine blew up. So my engine been making a noise for the last few months, and I went to a shop that I trust to look over it and see what that noise could be. And they said it sounded internal. They gave me a couple of options. They said that I can go easy on it, so that's not an option. They told me to leave the car with them and they can, break down the engine, try to find it. I need my car, so I said, no, I'm not really gonna do that.
You are really dumb, for real.
I forgot what the third option was. Send it. I forgot what the third option was. I was driving on the highway. I just downshift. I drive a DSG, the automatic. Bloom, a big puff of smoke came out, and I was like, damn, this is the time. Time is now. Pulled over as quickly as I could to the side of the road. My car got some age on it. This is a 2017 GTI. So pulled over. I got AAA. I had it towed to my house. It was making a ticking noise. I'm still not sure where that ticking's coming from. That's what we're gonna try to do here soon in the next coming days. Might be the next video or the second video for you all. So today what I did is removed all the wiring off the top of the engine. I tried to remove as much as the tubing, like the radiator, coolant hoses and things like that from the front. It's so much tubing. It's so much tubing. I'll show you a picture of how far, or a video of how far I got so far. And the next time we're going to try to completely remove all the hosing, all the wiring, get the axles out the way. So that way we're going to pull the engine and the transmission. We're going to try to get it ready so I can get a engine hoist, a floor dolly or something to roll the engine. Matter of fact, let me show you. So I stopped because it started getting dark out. It's starting to rain, and it's only about 3 or 4 o'clock, but it's pretty dark, so I can't really see anything out here. So I figure I'd just take a break here. So anyway, we have to drop it here. So I'm gonna have the hoist here and get it over this curb. Squeeze through here. I know the footprint on the engine hoist are kind of wide, or I might have it on the floor jack. So from there to there. And to here. And right now it's kind of dirty, but I'm gonna clean this section out. This is my tool, but I'm gonna clean all this up and lay down some plastic, put the engine stand in here and break it down. And that's the plan I have for that. So next video, I'm going to go into detail with my full plan. Oh, so why am I doing it myself? The reason why I'm doing it instead of taking it to a shop is because the shop that I trust is booked up. They won't be able to get to it for at least 2 months. I need my baby. I'm sorry, 2 months that's too much for me to be carpooling with my wife. If you want to see a guy attempt to rebuild the engine in his apartment, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned and join me on my journey. I don't know how to end out these videos. Hopefully I make it entertaining for you guys. Right now I'm just tired. So yeah, follow along. I'll see you all in the next one.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh no. Oh no. Well, we kind of expected that, didn't we? We kind of expected that.